皆さん、こんにちは。Vince です。Hello everyone. This is Vince. 皆さん、本日ですね、今日ご紹介するのは、今日の話題は、こちらに表示した話題です。皆さん、正確に言うと、また、文法に関する話題についてお話ししたいと思います。今度の話題は、また中級レベル組み立て、まだ中級レベル文法組み立て話題についてお話ししていきたいと思います。To be specific, everyone, what I would like to discuss is again another grammar related topic, or to be specific, another way of constructing grammar, another intermediate level kind of grammar. それでは皆さん、時間が黄金です。時間が黄金で早速始めていきましょう。Very well then, 皆さん、since time is gold, very well then, let's begin. それでは始めていきましょう。Very well then, let's begin. So, for today, this is lesson 104, 104. And this is about the general conditionals, or actually, in most of Nihongo textbooks, this is commonly known as provisional conditionals, or provisional form, or provisional conditionals. As a matter of fact, you can also see this in some books as provisional form, or in some references, provisional conjugation. Okay, so it's not just a general conditional but a provisional conjugation. To start, we have vocabulary here, but to save time, I suggest you take screenshots of this vocabulary right here, and you can see here the rule verb. I've told this already many times over. The rule verb is actually the Ichidan verb of other textbooks, and U verb is actually the Godan verb of other textbooks. Okay, so if you could just screenshots, minasan. Okay, just cover them in screenshots, and actually here sorry about that. Actually here, minasan, the hima is not only as in not busy, but also hima is a free time, or leeway time, or free time. Hima. Okay, so here in one of our examples here, we have here the word ao, which means to meet, ao. But in our examples, the ao will be conjugated first to its potential form. What is again the potential form of ao? Convert the u sound into its e form, then add ru. So ao, the potential form of ao is aeru. Remember that, because you will encounter that later on. Kaimono is shopping. Kaimono. We have your iku and other vocabulary here. Byoki means to contract a disease or sickness, simply sickness or ailment. Tanoshi, and I have discussed this already in one of my previous lessons. The U verb or Godan verb, naru, this is an intransitive verb, and actually I've stated many definitions for naru. Okay, so our lesson for today is used to state a provisions type of conditional, or regular conditional. Remember, minasan, if you are drafting a law, or if you want to draft a law, you would put provisions within the law or a bill. So in the provisions, most likely you will use the if condition, the if kind of condition. So our provisional form conditionals for today is based on provisions. So if someone does something, then this happens. So this is a regular if condition, but the difference compared with our lesson 102 and lesson 100, because we are now on lesson 104. Compared with our lesson 102 and lesson 100, the conditional to requires some sort of regular, as a matter of causation or regular causation type of conditional. If you could recall lesson 100, the conditional to is a regular consequence, but there has to be a cause, a causation, a cause. In the conditional nara or naraba, we need a context, embedded context or assumptions. Here in our provisional type of conditionals, we don't need those kind of embedded context nor any assumptions. So it's important to remember that, minasan. Our provisional conditions mainly depends on the type of eba or ba. Eba type of conditional or eba. Below is a table. We have a cheat sheet here. But before that, I must remind you that for nouns minasan, you can also apply the provisional conditional for nouns. So this is what you're gonna do. You add de and attach the verb aru. So these are the rules, minasan, to further strengthen that. Here are the rules. For verbs, be it ichidan verb or godan verb, for verbs, be it ichidan verb or godan verb, here's what you're gonna do. You find, you take note of the very last rightmost part syllable. Take note of the rightmost part syllable of that verb, and you will notice it ends in a syllable or U sound. The verb ends in U sound, be it ichidan or godan. Just like here, taberu, ending in U sound. Taberu is an ichidan verb. Matsu, meaning to wait. Matsu is not an ichidan but a godan verb. So the rule is, in the last syllable or rightmost part, change the, we have two steps. Step 1, change that U sound into e sound. Change the U sound to e sound. Step 2, add ba. Again, for mats, so for taberu, so that is the rightmost part syllable and probably ending in U. So the ru, change the ru into re, because what is the e sound equivalent of the ru? It's re. So taberu becomes tabere. Then add ba. So taberu, so the provisional form for taberu is tabereba. So for matsu, change the tsu. What is the e equivalent of the tsu? It's te. So matsu becomes mate. Then add ba. So it's matsu becomes mate, then mateba. So for, and believe it or not, we can also apply this, not only that the verbs have provisional form, but also I adjectives and even nouns. So for I adjectives, this is what you're gonna do, minasan. For any I adjectives has their own rightmost part, I. Any I adjectives has its own rightmost part, I. So for the rightmost part I, first drop that I and replace it with kereba. Drop the rightmost I of that I adjective and place it with kereba. And believe it or not, for other adjectives that come from negative forms, for adjectives or negative forms like nai means nothing or not existent or not existing, nai. So even nai or other negatives can also be applied with the rule drop the rightmost I and replace it with kereba. So okashi, which means strange, weird, or funny, laughable, or odd, okashi will become okashkereba. Nai becomes nakereba. So for nouns, believe it or not only for verbs and adjectives and negatives that technically appears as adjectives, negative types of adjectives, we have here the rules, and for verbs, but believe it or not, we can also have the eba form or provisional form for nouns, and na form of nouns, na adjective suitable type of nouns. So let's say gakusei or student, gakusei. So this is what you will do, minasan. After the noun, add de, then add the verb aru and change that aru into its provisional form or eba form. What is the, again, using rule number one, for verbs, change the ru sound or change the u sound into a e sound. So taberu becomes tabereba. For aru becomes areba. So for nouns, with that in mind, for nouns, use the steps. First add de, then add the aru, and then that aru should be changed into its provisional form or eba. So the aru can be changed to areba. So to sum up, noun plus de plus areba. So gakusei becomes gakusei de areba. Hima is a noun. Hima de areba. Okay, so in essence, we are, although in a pseudo way, we convert the noun into technically a verb. Okay, so not actually converting to verb, but technically for grammar purposes a verb. So meaning, if acting like a student, be it a student, this is the predicate. So if acting, assuming that it is existing as a free time, so this is the predicate. So let's apply, minasan. So dewa reibon wo hiwajishimasu. Okay, so dewa reibon wo for our examples, minasan. Okay, tomodachi ni aereba kaimono ni ikimasu. If I can meet my friend, we will go shopping. Tomodachi ni aereba kaimono ni ikimasu. If I can meet my friend, we will go shopping. Number 2, okane ga areba ii ne. If I had money, it would be good, huh? It would be good, huh? Okay. Ii ne is a ne is a somewhat a rhetorical affirmative interjection type of question that need not be answered. Okay, but just a confirmatory question that need not be answered. Okay, and here we have tanoshikireba watashi mo iku. If it would be fun, or if it's fun, I'll go too. 楽しければ私も行く。Here, very typical. Number 1, 友達に会えれば買い物に行きます。Number 2, お金があればいいね。For number 3, 楽しければ私も行く。If it's fun, I'll go too. For number 4, sentence number 4, 楽しくなければ. So here, minasan, we see that the tanoshi first becomes a negative form. Tanoshi is an I adjective, but what is the negative form of tanoshi? It's tanoshkunai. And then the tanoshkunai was converted into the eba form or provisional form. Tanoshiku nakereba watashi mo ikanai. If it's not fun, then I'll also not go. Tanoshiku nakereba watashi mo ikanai. If it's not fun, I'll also not go. Here, number 5, tabe nakereba byoki ni naru yo. Tabe nakereba byoki ni naru yo. If you don't eat, you'll become sick, because sometimes there's some ailments or disease that will greatly curb the appetite or diminish the appetite of a patient. So the one cheering that patient, probably someone he or she loves, try to motivate or cheer up, saying, if you don't eat, you will become sick. Tabe nakereba byoki ni naru yo. Or sometimes you can also say this to a friend if he or she is in great depression. Tabe nakereba byoki ni naru yo. If you don't eat, you will become sick. So you see, minasan, this is our provisional type of conditional. And for appreciation, minasan, for our last part, if I could just show this. I'm sorry. Sorry, minasan. It should be here. Okay. So here in our examples, minasan, the aeru here, aeru is the potential form of ao. Aeru is the potential form of ao. Aeru was the one conjugated here. The verb aru was conjugated here. The I adjective tanoshi was conjugated here. The tanoshi adjective was first conjugated to negative, and that negative nai is further conjugated into eba form or provisional form. So here in example number 5, the taberu was conjugated. And for those I've been mentioning about provisional form, minasan. So here, how do we see the provisional form? Because provisional form is actually our lesson 104, which in a nutshell, I've been, so to sum up, to synthesize in a nutshell, provisional form is just like if X, let's say X is the person, if X does, or if X is. So you see, minasan, this is a kind of conditional. If X does, tabereba, if X does or if X is. And there's a negative form, if X doesn't do, if X is not, if X doesn't do, if X is not. So tabereba, we have the negative form of tabereba, tabe nakereba. So in gray font, you can see the essential meaning, if X does or if X is. In a negative sense, if X doesn't do the verb or if X is not. So here we have here the provisional okashi. Okashi is a I adjective, which means weird or funny or laughable or odd. Okashikereba, if it is X. Okashikereba. So the nuance here is an adjective if it is X. And focus on the gray font, minasan. If it is X, okashi is the adjective here. Okashi means funny, weird, odd. Okay. And we have here, so if we have the regular provisional form, it would mean if it is x, but we also have the negative form if it is not x. Take note the nuance of these two meanings here. The nuance is provisional in terms of adjective. If it is not x, okashiku nakereba. So that's it, minasan. So I've shown you all we need to know about this provisional form or provisional conjugation form, or eba kind of eba conjugation or eba form. So that's basically eba or provisional kind of conjugation, minasan. So thank you minasan for staying with me until the end. 最後までご視聴ありがとうございました。最後までご視聴くださりありがとうございました。Thank you for watching until then, 皆さん and I'll see you in the next topic. それでは皆さん、また次の動画でお会いしましょう。And thank you for all supporting me. 今まで応援してくれてありがとう。And don't forget to press like and subscribe, 皆さん。もしよろしければいいねボタンを押して登録ボタンを押してくれてありがとうございました。いいねボタンを押してくれたら嬉しい。And please continue to support 皆さん。And thank you for watching 皆さん。それでは皆さんありがとう。Thank you very much. Bye bye. Bye bye.